Before we start, ensure you've downloaded the CoCo app from the App Store and have connected your CoCo watch to your smartphone using the CoCo app. On your smartphone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Find your connected CoCo watch, click it, and sync contacts to know who's messaging or calling. Make sure to turn on Share System notifications. Also, double-check that notifications are enabled for your specific apps. Log in to CoCo app, navigate to Settings. Scroll down to Notifications and click to access notification details. Here, customize your preferences by turning on notifications for phone calls, SMS, Twitter, Facebook, or WeChat. Now, let's test it. I will ask my friend to send me a text from Twitter, and you can see that we received the notification for Twitter. If you would like to view all the messages directly from your watch, here's a quick way: swipe up from the watch face, and you'll see all your messages listed here. If you prefer not to keep them on your watch, you can delete them. It's important to note that deleting messages on your watch does not remove the notifications from your smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@semcoral.com.